Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific. Yan o. Ay, pati gulong nasa linyada o. Ganyan pala yan. Cebu Pacific. Ano yan?
Bring.
Tingnan natin.
Good afternoon, Nation Song Cebu Pacific Gas on Flight 5J392 for Manila. To ensure a smooth journey, please double check that you have all your personal belongings. Kindly inspect your seat and surroundings to avoid leaving anything behind. Please note that Cebu Pacific is not responsible for any loss or forgotten items that please keep your power bank in your personal pocket or place them in the seat pocket upon boarding the aircraft. For everyone's safety, they are not allowed with overhead bins or under the seat. Using power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. They must be turned off and disconnected from all devices while on board. Damaged, defective, fake, or recalled power banks and batteries are strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation.
Ganyan pala pagka baba ko ng aeroplano. Hindi pala basta-basta. Yan o. Inihilaw. Inihila pala yan. Yan. Iabanti ata. Para magtapat. Sige. Banti mo pa. Ganyan pala yan. Kanina pa oh. Mga pasero hindi pa sa loob. Banti yan. Banti. Ay. Pinipras. Tapos, ano gagawin? Yun, nagalaw na. Yan na po. Tutulak na yan. Lahat ang laman yan. Nakailagay lang at para sumakay yung mga pasayro. Parang wala. Cebu Pacific Airport. Alauna ang alis namin. 1 o'clock ang alis. Ayan na, tinapat na. Ayan na. Ano yun? Hagdan na lang ang gamit. Hagdan na lang ang gamit. Hagdan na lang. Ano yun? Yun. Hirapan na ikangin. At ano. May mababa na dyan, oh. Bababa. May bababa na dyan. Sino ang bababa? Cebu Pacific. Kanina pa, no?
Good morning. Good afternoon, first flight 5J392 bound for Manila. Prepare for boarding for second flight 5J392 bound for Manila. Prepare for boarding.
Yun, oh, may mga tao nga pala sa kayo.
Priority guest. Priority boarding guest, senior PWD, may kasamang bata 4 years and below, may priority boarding sa boarding pass. Yun lang po muna ang pipila yung hindi po kabilang sa priority boarding guest. Kindly remain seated po. Once again, priority boarding guest or group number 1. Kindly double check your group number bago po nila para hindi po tayo pabalik-balik. Group number 1 lang muna or priority boarding guest for flight 5J392. Other boarding group number, please remain seated po and wait for your group number to be called.
To Manila.
Good afternoon. Para po madali sa boarding, can you prepare have your individual boarding pass and physical ID ready for scanning at the gate. Cebu Pacific Flight 5J392 bound for Manila is now inviting guests under boarding group number 1. You may now board the aircraft to gate number 2. This boarding group includes senior citizen, PWD, expectant mothers, and guests traveling with infants or children.
Back to Manila tayo. Back to Manila.
Ayaw na sa reservas. Hindi nakapagpun sa Saras.
Guys, uminom po kayo ng VSM Kalingap Kape. Ang kaping may puso, masarap, papalakas at nagpapatigas ng buto-buto.
Alkaline vitamin C, the mother of all vitamins, with 562.54 milligrams sodium as gentle, non-acidic, safe, even on an empty stomach. Boosts immunity, enhance collagen production, a powerful antioxidant for everyday protection. Protect your health. Strengthen your immunity.
Mga Kalingap, ito po yung BSM Kalingap Kape, ang kaping may puso. I-try nyo po, talagang ang sarap. By Abal po, shout out mga Kalingap.
Kalingap Kape, masarap, sustansya, at grabe ang benepisyo po sa katawan po ito mga Kalingap. Kaya bili na kayo ng BSM Kape, napakasarap po.